Hey guys, so today I'll show you how to solve Instagram security code not received problem. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up the Instagram mobile application, and if you are just trying to log into your Instagram account and can't remember your username or anything else, you can simply tap forget password and then help in logging. Then in this tab you can add your phone number or you can add your email address that is linked to your Instagram account, and it will send you a verification code. After that you have to click on next. So depending on what you have entered, it will either send you a security code or they will email you a login link. However, if you do not even receive that verification code, there are a couple of things you can do to guarantee that you do get your security code. So all you have to do is that you have to go back and open up the phone settings. In this setting you have to scroll down and click on app management. Here you have to click on app settings. Then in the search bar you have to search for Instagram. Once you are here, you want to force stop the app. For this purpose you have to click on the force stop at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then in the storage and cache option you have to simply clear all of the data of your app. This may not impact on your Instagram account. Basically it removes all the temporary data from the app that could have corrupted some of their files and disabled you from logging in. So after you have done, you have to go back and head to the permissions option. Here you have to allow all these permissions. Once you have completed all the process, go out of here and log in back to your Instagram, where you should be able to use it without any login issue. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.